What's up, gang? Richie here. That time of year, you can tell with the tree behind me. Not in the studio. It's a little too lazy to go out to the studio today. It's cold. Last 36 hours, I've driven about 1,200 miles, so we're going to kind of just hang here on the couch today for this one. Silent Night, I'm going to kind of just walk you through a very lame style, finger picking style that I kind of play around with. I am not a finger picker, but I'll show you just some of the melody notes just to kind of walk you through how it could sound, and I'm sure you can do a much better job than I could. I just kind of, as far as finger picking, I'm just kind of doing it till I hear it and it sounds halfway decent. So we'll take a look at this one, Silent Night. I'll take a closer look at the notes, really not the finger picking pattern, because like I said, I kind of just make it up as I go along. I never play it the same way twice. So here's how we'll take a look at it, all right? Silent Night, here we go. Okay, so let me just kind of walk you through what I do here for this song. It is not the most perfect way to explain this, but it might give you some ideas on how to do it if you're looking to play the song. So number one, it's basic chords. It's a G chord, there's a D chord, there's a C chord. I've got another D shape. It's kind of like playing the C add 9, but I'm bringing it down here. I'm going to throw in this G chord here, just like the D chord, the Cage, if you know the Cage stuff. D, the D shaped G right here. And I kind of throw in this D, again, sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't, but I'll try to remember to show you that. This D, and I don't even know what this one, not even sure if this is a D. No, it's not, so that's a D. We're not even gonna try to explain what that is, but it's this shape right here. All right, so we're gonna start off on the G. And what I'm doing here is I'm pinching, basically, these two notes out of the G shape. 6th string, 2nd string. I try not to hit that E string just yet. So I go with those two notes. So 6th string, 2nd string on the second fret. And I'm hitting an open E. Not yet, I'm not. I'm going actually G on those two notes. And I'm picking from the B string up. So I go chord, pinch, 3 strings, B, G, D, and then I come back on that open E. So chord, pinch, B string, G string, D string. Now I go to the open E string, and same thing, 3 strings. Then I pinch those same strings again for that chord, but now it's an open B string. I'm basically just got the one note on the 3rd fret of the 6th string that I'm pressing down on. So it's all together. If you can see that. That open E string is really part of that melody right there. Open E. Open B. Open E. Open B. Repeat. If you can kind of see it, I'll try to go. Whoa. The open E and that B, your top 2 strings, the E and the B string, it's got where you got that melody going right now. Oop. Now I'm gonna go to that D string, or that D chord. And I'm just kind of picking some random, I don't say random notes, but I'm basically picking these two, 5th fret of the 5th string, 5th fret of the 1st string within that chord shape. So if we put it together. kind of get actually 3 strings. First, second, and fifth. To D shape. Back to that first G shape. So all together, if I'm doing this right, which I probably am not, but it's giving you a roadmap. G. Right? So you're going from the G. Let's try it again. So we got G. Because I don't play this the same way ever, 2 times in a row. I'm all over the place. That fifth fret. So it's really just that last part of the phrase is a G chord, and then I'm going to that G with the B and the bass. So if I put it all together. To the G. All right, that's half the song right there. Now we go to that. It's so really we're just taking really a C chord, that open E string. So it's going to be basically 3rd fret of the 5th string with an open E string, but it's all part of the C chord. So I kind of just play that C, that open C major, excuse me, and then I go to that first string from melody. Pinky on the 3rd fret of the 1st string for the melody line. That turnaround, there's the 1st string again, 2 open. Back to the G, so. Repeat it. All stuff we've learned already, okay? And then the final piece of it is, not the final piece, but maybe the 8th, the last 8 bars maybe. It'll be back to that like that C add 9 shape but on the 5th fret. So we can, and that's where I kind of I can throw it in here or here. So it'll be. So instead of playing that G twice, I kind of just throw this D shape down there again. So if we play it together, and the final couple bars, G, D with the F sharp in the bass, to a G major. So if we put it all together, so that's your first 4 bars, okay? The next 4, okay? And then we go into that C major. Get that F sharp in there. So that's a real kind of not so great demonstration, but that's how I do it. I'm not a finger picker. It's not what I do. So give it a shot. It might be just enough to give you a roadmap on how to do some things. So let's try that out. See what you think. But it's just kind of my easy way out of doing Silent Night with some fingerstyle. Maybe it helps you out, maybe it doesn't, but it's worth a shot. So hopefully it does help you out to some extent, and we'll go from there. So Merry Christmas to everybody. Really appreciate everyone that's kind of stuck around the last couple of years, so thank you. Let me know if you have any requests at all. I can do my best to help you out there, okay? See you, folks. It's been fun.